up? Welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, my name is Shemaine and welcome. So in today's video, gotta roll up my sleeves, we are doing a Fabfitfun unboxing spring edition. As you can tell by this pretty butterfly packaging, which totally reminds me of Kendall Jenner's first storyline, right? Butterflies, but I guess butterflies just scream spring. Alright, so we are gonna open this bad boy. Spring edition. I'm so excited. I don't know what I have in here, but oh, okay. Can you see me? Alright. This box is way too big for my desk. Let me get some stuff off my table. Alright. Water break. Okay. First we have this Fabfitfun, what is it? Freaking magazine. I don't know, man, my brain. It's like my Monday, but I know it's Tuesday. I'm back. My camera died. But I'm here now, yeah. But look guys, as I was showing you, oh my god, look how pretty it looks. Like, I don't want to touch anything. So the first thing I see is this beautiful paddle brush. Lord knows I need it because my hair gets tangled. Like, oop. Like crazy. Ooh. Less breakage. I like that. Like, yeah. Girl, your girl needs a hair brushing. This is really pretty though. Alright, I don't know why I did that. Okay, the next thing we have, is this deep sleep body cocoon. Can I talk today, please? Okay. A multitasking beauty sleep savior for better nights and brighter mornings. Lotion, what the heck is this for? Ah, okay. Lotion for your body. It says use nightly after bathing and before bedtime to restore and nourish the skin whilst you sleep. Ooh, anti-aging properties. What? What? I like that. Ooh, it's closed. I'm gonna open her up. I'm gonna open her up. I tend to slouch, guys, so if you see me like this, don't mind me. Okay. Ooh, yeah. Smells like lavender, like very calming. Smells good. Alright, next we have, I like this little cute little thing. Color enhancing pH balm. Oh, it's a Winky Lux. I was gonna buy one of these online the other day, but now I don't need to. Does this like transform color or something? Universally flattering cherry pink shade that can be used on lips and cheeks. I'm gonna try this out, guys. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Okay. Ooh, kind of happy with that. Yes, love me some lip balm, even though I don't finish them because I lose them all the time. Let's be honest. And then we got these silicone straws. Ooh, yes. Okay, so I have the metal ones. So this is kind of fun. Silicone straws with, I have no idea what this is for. Oh, to travel in. Yeah, this eco-friendly set comes with 4 straws, a brush cleaner, and a portable carrying case. You can clip them to your keys and be ready to sip delicious spirits on the go. Oh my gosh. Yes. Yes. Oh my god, I really like this actually. Because I could carry it, because the metal straws, I want to carry around with me, but I feel like pulling it out of my purse, how am I going to put it in my purse? But this little genius idea. And then we have this. It is China Herbal Beauty 2-in-1 Purify and Glow Mask Collection. Ooh, there's a brown sugar exfoliating mask and a golden root purifying mud mask. I love masks. How the heck do you open this though? Ew. I was about to break this. Okay. Oh! It's like little tub thingies. Look at this. Little tub thingies. I guess you use it one time for that big time. And it comes with a little brush. It's really cool. I really like this. I love masks. I should probably do them more often. Alright, and then we have this, this Scandinavia Finish makeup spray. I live for this. I'm so happy I have this. Yes, I love this. I love Scandinavia and this Finish makeup spray. It makes my makeup last forever. Okay. And then next, we have a rapid collagen infusion. I love collagen. This is a fast-acting treatment with topical filler-like effects. Plumps skin surface to minimize the look of fine lines, wrinkles after just one use. Ooh. Formulated with collagen amino acids, this treatment smooths and visibly re-volumizes skin, while winged kelp helps restore youthful firmness. What? Use AM and PM. Am I supposed to put this like... The problem with me, guys, is that I don't know like when to use this. So I use this like before my moisturizer, after my moisturizer. I don't really know moisturizer. Alright. Oh. Ooh, I think this goes... It just says use on neck and face, so I'm gonna have to Google when to use that. Sorry. My skincare game is not that great. There's no more. Okay. But I'm really happy with everything I got, actually. It's amazing. This one I got is a freaking mat, I think. Designed well traveled caravan home decor. I think this is I might just put this in my beauty room. It's hard to open, okay? Okay. Ooh, look at this. This is so cute. What do you guys think? Okay, I'm gonna calculate everything I got in my box using my handy dandy. Sorry, bubs. I'm just freaking my cat out more and more with all the noises. Paddle brush is $35. My rug was $48. The mask was $45. My silicone straws was $15. My lip balm, which was $18. And then I got this beauty sleep stuff. Oh my gosh, that lotion's $40. Oh yeah, my Murad thing, which is a collagen infusion. Oh shoot, that's guys, this thing is $78. That is just cray cray. Cray cray. For some reason, the Scandinavia thing is not on their little booklet. I don't know why not, but it's not. But just that, without my Scandinavia setting spray, it is like $279. And we pay, I almost forgot, $39.99 for that. I actually really love this spring box. A lot of face stuff. Alright guys, that will conclude this video. I don't know why I'm clapping like that. If you guys haven't subscribed to Fabfitfun box yet, you should really consider doing it because you get such amazing products for like $39.99. Where are you gonna get $39.99 for all this stuff? Really, where? Nowhere, that's where, okay? So yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe down there or down there, wherever the red button is, and ring that bell so you can be alerted for my next video. Thank you guys so much. Love you so much, fam, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.